Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Congratulations to Satvika, Keshavan, Jeevithan and Manish Kumar, the toppers of MAT 2023 at Learn to Lead Academy. Satvika J achieved an impressive score of 766, followed by Keshavan M with 642, Jeevithan R with 640 and Manish Kumar with 638. Are you aiming to excel in MAT 2023-24? Enroll now for our online crash course designed to boost your preparation and maximize your chances of success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join our September, December, Feb or May MAT 2024 batches. Start your journey towards achieving your dream score today. Enroll through the link provided in the description box, or you can contact directly 88700 46080. Book your slot now.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.